This film deals with workplace safety for welding, brazing, and cutting. Proactive prevention of accidents by application of specialized devices. A normal workplace that can be found anywhere in the world. Welding and cutting, applying acetylene and oxygen, which combine in an effective, however highly explosive mixture. Highly flammable gases serve as a useful as well as dangerous medium when being combined with oxygen. Hazards of daily use of these welding techniques are more often than not underestimated. Various reasons may cause the flame to blow back into cylinders and gas takeoff points, causing flashbacks, which can have disastrous consequences. Safety devices assist in providing protection for both personnel and hardware from the dangers caused by the misuse or malfunction of welding equipment or connected installations. In the event of any reverse flow of oxygen, a concealed gas non-return valve stops any oxygen flowing behind the safety device, thus preventing any highly explosive gas mixtures forming in the delivery and distribution tubes. The dust filter protects the non-return valve from contamination, guaranteeing a long service life. When a flashback occurs, however, the hazard is very real. The flame must be extinguished immediately. A sintered chromium-nickel steel flame barrier extinguishes the flashback flame from gas outlet side, preventing it reaching and igniting the gas on the inlet side. The gas non-return valve is also protected by the flame barrier, so that after flashbacks, no slow or sudden gas surge of air or oxygen into the distribution system or cylinder is possible. But what happens in the event of a hose burnback? The temperature can rise to the gas's auto-ignition temperature and cause a flashback. A spring-loaded valve, which is held open by a soldered strut, cuts off the gas flow long before the ignition temperature is reached. Safety mechanisms which will work in an emergency that might occur every week, every day, or every minute. A small investment with a potentially enormous payback. Flashback arresters are a standard requirement in many countries now. That means millions of welders and equipment protected by approved products all over the world. International standards are met in all production stages. A continuous incoming goods control system assures that high-quality components meet rigid specifications. All production stages are automated. Every procedure is carried out according to a safety concept, guaranteeing 100% freedom from error and defects. Additionally, all working and inspection stages are documented. Specially designed testing equipment subjects each individual arrestor to an actual flashback under test conditions in accordance with globally accepted standards. In the shortest possible time, the operation of the non-return valve and leak integrity of all arrestors are tested. Our safety systems have been granted design type approval by the world's leading testing and certification institutions and have proved their benefits under the most stringent testing conditions. The production process certified by the BAM, as well as permanent checks in our factory by independent inspection institutions such as the BAM and UL, provide proof that we maintain the highest possible levels of safety, reliability and performance. Our customers get perfectly flawless products, as this is the least they desire for the people working in this field. No ifs and buts. Safety systems with no compromises.